If you want to change icon size on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you can, for example, go to the settings. Next, in the settings, we can go, let's say, to the home and lock screen and choose home settings. Then over here we have icon size, which can be increased or decreased by moving left and right on this slider. We can tap anywhere as well in order to set the size, or you can press minus or plus over here. Besides that, you can also go back to the settings, and this time we're gonna go to the personalize option, and over here you can go to layout in order to choose, for example, a different layout in order to make apps bigger or smaller. So we can tap over here in the top right corner in order to see the preview how the apps look like. So if you choose bigger layout, then apps should be technically smaller. So let's see, there we go. But if that is not enough, you can also go to display settings and over here choose display size and text, and you can move left and right in order to make everything bigger, not only app icons, but pretty much everything. However, if you set, for example, the biggest display size, it also affects app icons. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!